So today's trading was two break-even trades for me. It wasn't the best price action, but if you wouldn't be that dumb as me, you could have made a big good trade. But yeah, okay, we come into the day. We were obviously bearish for today because you see that everything goes down. We had this Asia liquidity here. I can show it to you. There was equal lows, equal highs on the 1 minute. You can see it really good. And then for London session, we swept. You see it, equal highs. London session, we sweep that equal highs from Asia session, and this is the fair value gap. We inverse this fair value gap. You could have make a short here in the morning. Shit, what? So, and target, for example, this was a pretty good trade, but I didn't take it because I wasn't really sure and confident with this trade. You could take this and it would hit full TP. But yeah, we are here for the New York session where I have traded, and yeah, I was bearish for today because, like I said, we swept this, we went down to catch this, and then in pre-market we swept this low, and after the swap I looked for maybe there is a long entry, but I couldn't find anything, so I was stick to my daily buys for the shorts. And then we swept this London high. No, the London high was this here. Or no. Yeah, that's the London high. We swept the London high and broke structure here. We had this first present fair value gap and inversed it, and after this inverse I looked for a short entry, but I couldn't find a really good entry. And then I made my entry after we closed this bullish candle here, because that's a pretty good candle for a bearish trend. We didn't come back into this first presented fair value gap or this inverse fair value gap, but this was the nearest move to this point. So I made my entry directly after we closed this. So yeah, you can see it here. And because this trade wasn't made of a really good confluence, I made my stop loss at break even at this point. So we moved down and I went to break even like that, and then I got stopped out on this candle at the top. I made it not directly break even, so something like here for the fees and etc., and got stopped out. And like you see, London lows got perfectly swept with this trade, and yeah, it was an unnecessary break-even trade because the trade was good, the idea was good, the price was right, everything was right, but I missed one confluence, so I so I made my stop loss at break even really early. Yeah, that's the only point for this to be a break-even trade. I could have made $300, and yeah. Then I made another trade. It's a really stupid trade because I can show you my thoughts. I saw this. Okay, we swept London lows and there was not a direct reaction again up, so that we swept a high liquidity point. So I thought, okay, we would move more down because there is no big move up again from this liquidity. But if I see it now, there was a move and I don't know why I entered. So yeah, I entered, luckily didn't get stopped out with this wick and made my stop loss at break even directly and got stopped out then with this candle. And yeah, it's okay for me because this trade was really bad. This trade was good, but I don't know, I'm scared to lose money. But in one side it's good that I made break even because there wasn't a really good confluence for me. The entry to the fair value gap has missed, but yeah, I also, on the other hand, I'm scared of losing money, and that's also what I need to improve. But yeah, it's okay. Now maybe we can see a reversal here on this liquidity sweep. There's a fair value gap. Maybe you can target this high, but I think I'm not trading anymore today. So yeah, that's for me. That's it for the day. 2 break-even trades. Yeah, we see us tomorrow. Bye.